Well, hi there, everybody, and good Friday morning to you. Meteorologist Travis Klineski here. Everybody glad it's the end of the week. Some kids have off school today. Big weekend coming up for those that celebrate Easter weekend this weekend, as well as Good Friday today and Passover starting as well. So a lot going on. Weather-wise, well, it gets quieter. After a couple of busy days, we had the showers and storms on Wednesday night, the severe weather. Last night, some more showers, even a few snowflakes. Now it turns a little quieter as the showers push to the southeast. Clouds will clear out pretty quickly this morning. We're starting chilly and breezy, though, and it will be a cool and breezy day, but at least the sunshine returns to the area. So look for mostly 50s, low and mid-50s for highs. Tonight, winds die back. It will be chilly. We'll fall back into the 20s and 30s underneath clear skies. Lighter winds. Then that wind actually picks up for tomorrow. We're talking about winds in the 15 to 25 mile per hour range out of the southwest, and that's going to usher in some milder air. So look for a lot more 60s out there, maybe a few low 70s for your Saturday under plenty of sunshine. There will be a downside to tomorrow because of those winds, which I'll talk about here in just a bit. Zone forecast for today. First off to the north, low 50s today with mainly sunny skies, a little bit of a breeze. To the west, we're looking at low to mid 50s. Again, a couple of early clouds, otherwise plenty of sunshine. Early clouds may linger a little longer in northern Kansas, but eventually that sun works its way out. Mid 50s for the most part, and low to mid 50s to the east. Again, some early clouds that should clear out. Now, again, on to Saturday. I mentioned the winds out there, and of course, it's still been dry, even with the rain we've received as of recent. Now, I know this color isn't shown on this table here, but the tan color indicates basically, or kind of the peach color, I should say, indicates that we have a fire weather watch out for the day on Saturday. It's likely that we will see a red flag warning issued as we get a little bit closer to tomorrow for a good chunk of the area. Even the areas that have seen rain, it's still so dry out there. A lot of that rain just soaked right into the ground, and so the vegetation didn't get a lot of that. So the fire risk is going to be high on Saturday. Something to keep in mind if you have plans, especially for those that barbecue. Something to keep in mind out there for your Saturday. So the weekend looking better. Sunday actually looks really nice. Going to be quite warm, 75, lots of sunshine, not as much wind. Make sure you're not leaving that chocolate out in the yard too long for those Easter egg hunts. It will be melting the way it looks with it being so warm. Now, late Sunday night, after midnight, I'm going to throw in a chance of some showers and thunderstorms that will continue into Monday, especially Monday morning. The severe weather threat doesn't look overly high with this, but maybe an isolated stronger severe thunderstorm are more than likely just going to get some rumbles of thunder and some isolated showers out there. The temperature forecast on Monday is very complicated. It looks like we could see a large range in temperatures from the 50s up north to near 80 or so in the south. So we could be anywhere in between. It's going to be a very tight temperature gradient, so you kind of have to bear with that forecast because there is going to be such a wide range. Keeping the chances of rain going into Monday night and Tuesday. In fact, it stays complicated through pretty much the entire rest of the 7-day forecast, as I have chances of rain all of the, at least off and on, all the way through Thursday. And those temperatures, they trend cooler, and I think it will get cooler as we get towards Wednesday and Thursday. How much is still in question, though. We may actually end up being warmer than these temps, but by Thursday, we may end up being in the 40s. It's not out of the question. We may throw in a chance of some snow mixed in on Thursday, or we could maybe throw a chance of thunderstorms in. There could be all of that in our viewing area. It just kind of depends. We're going to be kind of between air masses, and so it makes it so tough to predict. So those are things we'll have to figure out as we get a little bit closer. We're still several days away, but I can guarantee that it will be a nice weekend ahead of us if you don't mind some wind on Saturday. Today, a little bit cooler and breezy. So there is your forecast for this weekend, the holiday weekend, next week to come for the next 7 days. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski, and I hope you do have a great weekend.